Decarboxylase inhibitors that prevent metabolism of levodopa to dopamine outside the brain enhance the efficacy of levodopa. These drugs by themselves have no effect on the symptoms of Parkinson's disease. But when given along with levodopa, they block the enzyme dopa decarboxylase in all the sites except the brain, as they are unable to penetrate the blood-brain barrier. This means that only levodopa, which enters the brain, is metabolized to dopamine. Two such dopa decarboxylase inhibitors are carbidopa and benserazide. Another group of drugs commonly used to treat Parkinson's disease are dopamine agonists, which stimulate the brain dopamine receptors. Examples are bromocriptine, ropinirole, pergolide, and pramipexole.